Today we're talking about supplementary angles. Let's review really quick. Who remembers what the degree measure, the total degree measure of complementary angles is? Kendall? 90 degrees. So what do you think the degree measure of supplementary angles would be? 180. That's a pretty tough concept today, you guys. All right, so look at your slide below the first one. Okay. So we're not cutting today. Sorry, guys. Once was enough. But let's look at that picture of all of the angles. All right. Let's form some groups that make a degree measure of 180. See if you can circle, let's circle 3 angles that equal 180. Find them. Done? Did you circle those 3? 105, 25, and 50? Okay, now let's take a look at these angles down here. Here are 3 more, 50, 70 degrees, and 60 degrees. What do you notice when, what do you notice about the degree measure or what they form when they're put together? What do they form? Tyler? 180. And what kind of angle does that look like? What is that? Gage? It's a straight line. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if we can get one more group that he adds up to 180. Can you guys find more angles that add up to 180 up here? Another combination? Elin? 60, 50, and 70. Nice. 60, 50, and 70. Is there yet another combination? Yeah, Mateo. 60, 30, 20. Ooh, nice job. Yeah. Okay. Are there any more? I think that's it. All right. So the point is, supplementary angles add up to 180 and form a straight line. So anytime you see a straight line, you know those angles have added up to 180. Now, can you trust your eyes to tell you that something's a straight line, guys? No, you can't. The answer is no, not maybe. In the angles unit, in geometry units, you can't trust your eyes. You have to go by what symbols you see on the page and what degree measures you see, okay? Kala? I don't know. Let's do some problems. Okay. So if the angles on, if adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees, then XY would be a straight line, right? Conversely, if you have a straight line, if PQ is a straight line, then what degree measure do angles D and E add up to? 180. Okay. So D and E in this second picture are adjacent angles on a straight line, and adjacent angles on a straight line add up to what? 180, exactly. Okay, so PQR is a straight line. Find angle W. We've got an angle measure here of 135 degrees. Let's do some mental math. Let's subtract 130 from 180. What do I get, guys? 130 from 180. 180 minus 100, I get 50. But this is 135. Let's go another 5. 45. So angle W is 45 degrees. Add your proper notation there, you guys, because your page is missing it. All right, number 2. PQ is still a straight line. Angle B is 3 times angle A. We're going to set up a bar model, guys. Do this with me. Find angles A and B. All right, so let's give B 3 units. And angle A is going to have 1 unit because angle B is 3 times angle A. And these adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. So we have 4 units that add up to 180 degrees. What does 1 unit add up to? This is mental math, you guys. Let's do 180 divided by 2. What would that be, you guys? 90. What's 90 divided by 2? 45. Okay, so 1 unit equals 45 degrees. So angle A would be 180 divided by 4, which equals 45 degrees. Angle B is what? They have you just subtracting 45. What's angle B? Austin? 135 degrees. Good. Next one. MN is a straight line. Angle X is 4/5 angle Y. Find angle Y. Okay, we're going to set up a bar model again, you guys. Make sure you're doing this with me. How many units should I give angle X? Think back to our fractions unit here. Ainsley? Yeah, exactly. I'm going to give angle X 4 units. How many units should I give angle Y if angle X is 4/5 angle Y? Kendall? What? Not 1. Angle X is 4/5 angle Y. I should give it 5. You guys remember how to do this from angles? I'm sorry, from fractions. Okay, good. So how many units do I have that add up to 180 in this problem, Alex? I have 9 units. Good. So 9 units are 100. So 1 unit equals, 103. So what does 1 unit equal in this problem? Well, we're going to divide both sides by 9. What's 180 divided by 9? Caleb? 20. Good. Now I need to solve for both. Oh no, I'm only solving for angle Y. So how many units does angle Y have? Tyler? Yes, exactly. All right. So we're going to Go ahead, Tyler. Whoop, I wrote 20 times 100, but I meant 20 times 5. I was jumping ahead of myself. Okay, so let's write it properly. And we're going to say angle Y equals 100 degrees. Okay. All right, these ones are notes, but I think you guys can solve the rest of them on your own. So why don't you go ahead and do that? And I'll check in with you in about 5 minutes. All right, number 4, explain this and give us an answer. Gage.
Angle C equals 40 plus 85 minus 180.
Minus 180 or 180 minus?
180 minus 40 plus.
Good. 180 minus 40 plus 35. Okay, great. And so that means that angle Z equals 180 minus 75, which is 100 and what? 105 degrees. Great job. All right. Next one. Who can tell me how to solve this one? I'm gonna call on Bastion for this one. Okay, so this is 90 degrees. Nice job. So you subtracted that from 180, right? So I don't know why it does that sometimes with the weird lines. So you subtracted 90 plus 18 from 180. Okay. All right, awesome job. And you got what? Okay, so let's see. Let me just do this real quick. 180 minus 108, and you got 72 degrees. Nice job. Okay, way to go. All right, number 6. Oh, got real cool. All right, Maddie, take it away. Okay. So 6 units equals 180 degrees. Okay, great. So 1 unit equaled how many? Okay. And then you needed to solve for angle Z and for the largest angle. So angle Z equals what? Okay, nice job. And what was the largest angle? How many degrees did that equal? 90 degrees. Way to go. Nice. Did anybody get to the last one? Nice job, guys. Okay. All right. So Matthew, can you help me on the first one here on letter A? Can you help me write an expression for angle X? Okay. Nice job. 180 minus y degrees. Okay. Letter B. Tyler, can you help me with that one?
Y minus 180.
Other way around, 180 minus y, right?
Y 30 minus 30. Yeah, X equals 100.
Nice job. 150 degrees. Okay, how about C? Annie, help me out. Nice job. 132 degrees. Okay. Well, I kind of feel like you guys get this. I think you do.